What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Where the heck have I been? Well, long story short, really quick, I've been super sick, like real sick, like on the couch sick, like under a blanket for like 2 weeks. Still kind of sick, but anyways, the truck hasn't been started in like 3 days, so I should probably let it run for a second. We're on a rescue mission really quick. If you guys know JB, my brother-in-law with the King Ranch Powerstroke, he decided that he wanted to go 5-inch because, you know, he heard my exhaust on my truck, the 5-inch, and you know, he was running the muffler delete, you know, the other pipe, you know what I'm saying? You guys, you get picking up what I'm saying? So he decided he wanted the 5-inch, and got the 5-inch, and is having trouble installing the exhaust. My voice is still a little funny. Yeah, I'm like 2 weeks into this cold, man, and it has been brutal. But anyways, we're going to rescue him. We're going to help him do his exhaust. Let's just go. Oh, we made it to the we got the torpedo heaters rolling. Alright, so look real quick. That's where it was rubbing. This is the factory, you know, tailpipe, right? That's where it was rubbing last time on the bed. So is the exhaust, the new one, it's hitting the same spot the old one was hitting in? Right?
No, it's not vibrating, it's full blown, just...
Wow, look how dirty it is. So it's rubbing at the top of the arch up there. That's just as dirty as the floor.
Yeah, but it's not like... I can broom this off.
Alright, so we jumped to conclusions on the truck being, you know, a little wonky from being wrecked. So it's actually hitting in the same spot as the factory one. And what it actually is this truck is a, can't see because he has a bunch of junk in there. This truck is a factory gooseneck prep package truck. And I'll get under here and show you guys what's going on. Okay, so you see that plate right there. That's the gooseneck prep plate. And right there is where the arch is for the exhaust to go through, right there. So what we need to do is we need to shift the exhaust back a little that way to center it in between the two cross member holes. So we have a cross member here, cross member there. The tip of the arch needs to be dead center in between each of the cross members needs to be dead center right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to bend these clamps back a little bit, bend these back this way in order to shift the whole exhaust that way. I mean, everything's square. It just so happens to be that it's rubbing the actual side of the cross member on the gooseneck prep plate just a little bit, so we got to shift everything that way. So we're going to bend these back this way because we have them maxed out on the hangers. We can't shift it anymore because the hangers are maxed on the actual rubber mount on the truck. So if you guys know what I'm saying here, we're going to bend these back that way. Everything will go that way. Hopefully it will be in the center of the gooseneck prep plate. But yeah. Dude, you are so dirty. It'll burn off? I don't know. Probably pull it off. Alright guys, so what we did, we did exactly what we said we were going to do. We bent those two clamps back this way so we could shift everything that way. And then also at the tip top of the arch, we dented that in just a little bit.
just for, you know, added security of it clearing that gooseneck prep bar thingy that's, you know, goes between the two frame rails. So full clearance. If you guys have a gooseneck prepped truck and you have that cross member in between the two frame rails, and you want to run a 5-inch, little tech tip for you. Ready to start it? Ready to start it?
Yeah.
Fire it up. See if it hits.
What do you think we should like?
What?
Clean up a little bit, and then I got the front wheel off the ground.
Just send it.
Spare tire down here.
Just send it. Starting it? All right. First startup. Fire it up. Guys, there's like a huge like brush mower thing, track brush mower thing. It's not hitting. Does that echo in here? It's got a truck full of garbage, don't worry about it. 5-inch. All right, so if you're driving a 6.7 Powerstroke, what's the only exhaust you should have? 5 inch. 5 inch is definitely the best exhaust you can get.
Sure. So we heard every exhaust, you know, 4-inch, muffler, no muffler, race pipe, you know, stock tailpipe, whatever. If you guys are driving a 6.7 Powerstroke, best exhaust, 100% 5-inch.
Done deal.
5-inch.
Dude, you're dirty, man.
Cleaned up, what are you talking about?
You gotta get a change. We gotta go get our Christmas trees.
Next.
Cut it. All right, cutting it. Ready? Cut it. Should I cut it literally right here?
I'd get a little lower because you can always take some off.
Yeah.
You have a saw though. You never do. Ever.
Done. All right.
Nope.
You good right here?
Yep.
A few minutes later.
Well, we got the trees. What are you doing?
Even a few.
You trimming her up? I think we did good, right?
Better trim our whole thing.
We did good?
I hope so.
Where's the tractor?
They're taking a lunch break.
Lunch break?
Lunch break.
Is it tractor? Tractor? You drive that? So how's 5-inch life?
Great.
Great. Not looking back.
Never. Another cold one. All right, guys, so here is the deal. If you guys made it to the end of this video, you guys are freaking awesome. So here is the thing. Since I was sick, since I was under the weather, off the radar for Black Friday, what I'm gonna do for you guys is in between now today, when this video goes live, maybe like the 16th, which I don't know, Monday, whatever date Monday is, from then until Christmas Eve, I'm going to be running $100 off our Stage 2 kits and $50 off our Stage 1 kits. And possibly we're going to be adding more discounts in between now and Christmas Eve. So guys, hit the first link in the description if you want to make your Powerstroke run and sound awesome. There's a few disclaimers you guys got to go in there and check, do the whole deal. But basically, long story short, your Powerstroke will be running just over 600 wheel horsepower with the Stage 1 or the Stage 2 kit. There's just a couple upgrades in the Stage 2, but go check it out. But yeah, $100 off Stage 2, $50 off Stage 1. It's going to be awesome. If you guys have been contemplating on doing this to your truck or getting that kit, for whenever, if you want to do it later or whatever, if you guys are on the fence about it, now's the time, because we rarely do specials, because I'm going to be straight with you guys. There's not much margin on those kits. So by me taking $100 off of that, is pretty big. That's a pretty huge cut to me. But I'm going to do that for you guys because I didn't do anything for Black Friday. I was super sick, and I apologize for that. I got a ton of emails, a ton of messages on Instagram, if we're going to do anything for Black Friday, and literally I was on the couch ooh. So yeah, we're back at it. I'm going to run it in between now and Christmas Eve. And also we're going to possibly try to add some stuff in between now and then also for other parts that we have on there, and also merch. We're doing a full redesign on merch. We're going to do a whole new launch. It's going to be epic. This is a prototype hat here. What do you guys think of this? It's more of a bent brim hat instead of the flat bills. Still trucker, still snap back. And it's the offset logo. You have the center line here and it's offset. We got to change some positioning, move it down a hair, and then also change the font. If you guys can see, the font is a little wonky there, so we have some adjusting to do on that, which is all in the works. So guys, stay tuned for the added deals, and then make sure you guys jump on those Stage 1 and 2 kits if you guys wanted one, or if you were undecided. Now's the time. It's a pretty good deal, and we probably won't be doing that again. So yeah, if you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. We are on the rise, we are on the climb, and we are back. I beat the cold. We're good. We're going to start hammering out more vlogs. We got a ton of epic stuff planned for this truck, the red truck, the step-side Merle, the Mercedes, and possibly some new stuff on the channel. But yeah, as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.